Guys, good afternoon. So this is our Dji Neo camera test and speed test. So later on you will see that I will do some speed test in a low level. So I noticed that the bottom sensor while making the speed test is not working when doing the sports mode. So like this, guys, that this is very windy afternoon, so you need to switch your mode into sports mode to make your drones stable, and, uh, and then no worries whilst in sport mode because the camera is still sharp, super steady. It's like you have a 3-axis gimbal, but the Dji Neo have only 1-axis gimbal, the up and down, but they have the AI stabilization, which is very good. So this is 4K 30 FPS resolution. So this is very nice, guys. So I like the aerial drone while flying. I'm confident for it. I'm not so very nervous to fly this drone because it is not so cheap drone, but it's a little bit cheap per drone in DJI, and then equipped with 360 prop guards, so no worries if you hit something. See, for this, guys, if you do the sports mode for speed test, so the bottom sensor is not working. I almost hit the ground, the grass in there, but still okay. Just keep in mind that the drone have no sensor front, back, not like in the other DJI products have sensors, like Mavic drone or the Mini 4, which is Mini 4 Pro now, is a good drone too. But I think the DJI Neo, for me, as like I'm not so a beginner drone, but I still putting myself as a beginner drone lovers, but still it's so good. So this is enough for me, this kind of drone, because I'm a little bit busy in my work, so I just only doing drone every weekend, and it's not also every weekend because just it's like stress relief for me while flying the drone. So the Dji Neo, I like it. So no need to worry about this drone, because this drone can hold very well even in a windy days, and video resolution for this is so good, nice. So that's it, guys. So just watch my video until the end, and please like and subscribe to my channel, support my channel, please. Thank you.